Could well have been a tricky game against Asaph today, but a 5-0 win is resounding at the end, even though both sides finished with 10 players.
Yeah, much needed win. Obviously, it's been a difficult 6 weeks to say the least. But I thought it was a good start to the game. But foothold in it, and then when they went down to 10 men, I think we got worse for about 10-15 minutes while we were trying to work out how to go about it. But towards the end of the half, we took control again, and it was a good game for confidence. You know, you could see, you know, the problems that we've had to drain the life out of the lads a little bit, but you could see towards the end and in the second half in particular, the confidence was starting to come back to them. So we take this result now and try and build on it in the coming weeks.
Because that's the first goals we scored since the Llangefni away game, which bit of concern actually, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not one to make excuses normally, but we have had a lot of injuries in one area of the pitch. I wouldn't mind if all of our injuries were spread out, because every club has injuries and you can sort of look after it, but all of our injuries have been in the final third. So Brookie and Reese have had to take the full workload and sort of play every minute, and we've not had the centre forward for weeks. So it's been tough in front of goal, but you know, seeing Kavanagh get off the mark today, that's his first goal back at the club. Tom's done 30 minutes on Tuesday, 60 minutes today. Jamie Jones is pretty much fully back fit now, so John Littlemore, Jack Gibney are a week or two away maximum. So it's looking positive again in the final third.
Very positive, and big games coming up. Games that needs to be won if there's any assault on the top by the end of the season. Yeah,
look, we've just got to take it game by game. We can't be looking at permutations and what happens if this result happens or anything like that. We've just got to look after ourselves. Obviously, it's been a difficult period. But I'd like to think we've come out the other side of it now. And we started the season after 11 games with 10 wins and 1 draw. Obviously, there's 11 games to go now. If we go and have a similar run and look after ourselves and instead of looking at other things, then we will go close.
Great, Chris. Good afternoon. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch, Dil. Cheers.